Today we're going to turn our cursor into a picture so that we can animate that picture in a lesson. Here's a little clip of how you might use it in a lesson, and then I'll walk you through the process of how you can do it yourself. Hi everyone, let's warm up our voices. Mr. Snail is here to help us out. Use your voice and follow along with him. Here we go. This one looks fun. Help me out. I think you've got the idea. I won't make you watch the whole video. So now let's go through the process of how to make a custom cursor for yourself. I'll go through this pretty quickly, but remember you can always pause or watch the video again if you need to. So the first thing that I do in my browser is go to cursor.cc. I want to import image, choose file. I can upload any picture file. I've got one right here, it's called Crown. Let's use that one today. Click on open, then upload. This is a preview of what it will look like, and at this point I can use these tools to adjust anything that I don't like. So this is my transparent area that it automatically detected around the outside, and it's yellow with blue to show me that it's transparent. But maybe I want this square right here to also be transparent. So I'll click over here on my transparent tool, click on that square. I could also use this eyedropper tool if there's a color that I want to reuse somewhere else in my picture. So maybe I'm gonna use this to make it look a little more symmetrical. One of the things that you want to pay attention to is your hotspot. So that's where on the picture your mouse is going to click. So you'll notice it's at the top left up here, and that's going to be in my transparent area. So that doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to click here on hotspot, and I could put it in the middle of the crown. Maybe I put it at the top left of the crown. That's up to you where you want it to be. Maybe I'll add a shadow to it. When you have it the way you want it, then you scroll down and download cursor. So you can see that it's on my computer now, but now I need to put it in the right place. I want to open my cursors folder on my computer. I've used mine recently, so it's going to come up here in my quick access. You might have to search for it on your computer. Then I want to drag this file into this folder. And I'm going to rename it because right now it's just called cursor. So I want it to be called. Now I want to go to my mouse properties. I'll click on pointers, browse. I named it Crown. There it is.